It's locked, mate.
Sorry, train was late.
I would.
I always said I'd do anything to get me out of the weeding gig.
Layla, I hope the course will help me develop more convincing excuses for my criminal behaviour.
Josh, so they don't stop my benefit?
I'm Anna. I hope to learn.
Before we go any further, can you turn your mobiles off?
So, what's the deal? Can we all get shit back to Bongoland? Go for it, it's free.
Stories exist across culture and throughout history, entertaining us, helping us bond, and allowing us to see the world through someone else's eyes. Okay, see you all tomorrow.
Got far to go?
No, Rowan Estates.
Poor you.
It was only supposed to be for a couple of weeks.
Train was late?
Layla, you work with Anna today.
Why are you on probation?
Would you like to, shoplifting?
What? The free house wasn't enough?
Check your texts. Viens-vous tuer! Get away! Get away! Je vais vous tuer! Get away! Get away! Get away! Je vais vous tuer! Please! Je vais vous tuer! Maman! Césaire! Prends-les-moi! Prends-les-moi! Maman!
Layla, who's the daddy?
Whoa.
Layla, welcome home, love. Danny,
My daughter. Stay for the party. Oh.
Thank you for yesterday. You know the people at 110.
What's it to you?
Look, if you need somewhere to stay, then just...
So, the story you choose to tell can be happy or sad, funny or serious, but it has to come from personal experience. So, who's going to go first?
When I was a child, my mother used to let me braid her hair. I wasn't very good at it.
She beat you with an umbrella. My mother's a nut job.
Layla,
Maybe she's crazy too. It runs in families. Is that why you tried to top yourself?
that's enough.
Or did you do when your boyfriend dumped you?
You're out of order, man.
Tell us about this.
Sit down!
It's hatred. Unchecked. Maybe you could tell us your story next.
The woman at 110 is my mother. Most of the time, I wish she were dead. The end.
And the rest of the time?
The rest of the time. Do you love your child?
Yes,
Make sure he knows.
I will.